welcome to my channel once again. I have good news for you on SOSOVALUE airdrop. Okay, we know that SOSOVALUE season 2 launching is about to take place, and in this video we are going to give you the latest information, including their planning to launch and the eligibility criteria, as well as what you can do to maximize the most when it is time for listing. All you need to do is to watch the video carefully. Okay, as you can see right here, if we come to ESP now, this is the amount I have earned so far on SOSOVALUE, which is equivalent to 2,247,000. And as of today, which is 13th of September 2025, the negotiation on launching of season 2 is ongoing, and we're going to discuss that right now. Okay, also if we scroll down a little bit, remember SOSOVALUE in season 1 benefited a lot of people, and it mostly benefited people that gave them referrals. Okay, so in order to get most out of this airdrop, it is important to work on the number of referrals you give them. As you can see right here, I have given them total of 50 referrals, and from these successful invitations I have earned over 50,000 so. Okay, so guys, it is important you work on your number of referrals because it will give you much advantage when it is time for listing. Now let us get to know what is currently going on about the listing or launching of SOSOVALUE. Okay, all right guys, following the news released on their official Twitter community, it says that the value chain, mainnet and SODES are preparing for launch, and the community now has the chance to shape this milestone with SOSO. That means that the community are also open to vote on SOSOVALUE, what is going to work on the listing day. Okay, from their proposal here, it says that unlock 5% foundation tokens. Okay, these are the people who secure the blockchain by staking tokens, or they are called early validators. Okay, they say they will be given to them 5% foundation tokens. And we'll scroll down to 2, unlock 10% ecosystem fault tokens. Okay, incentives for LPs, traders and builders on SODES from value chain. Okay, now what are ecosystem fault tokens? Ecosystem founding token is used to reward liquidity providers like LPs, traders and builders on SODES and value chain. Okay, so you scroll down a little bit, it says that this is not just a token unlock, it is a strategic move to boost value chain validator security, inject liquidity and growth momentum, power a long-term value cycle. Ecosystem prosperity, increase fees, higher nodes rewards, more SOSO stake, a more secure network. Okay guys, so you are also open to give your own vote on this, which is going to be better. Okay, now let us talk about the price. For people that are into season 2 SOSOVALUE, what kind of price are we expecting on the listing day? Okay guys, if we come back to our SOSOVALUE app, so guys, as you can see right here, if we come to search bar here and we search for SOSO/USDT, as you can see down here, you will see that as of today, which is 13th of September 2025, one SOSO is equivalent to 0.6819 USDT. Okay, so one SOSO is equivalent to this amount, and you can see there's no any indication that SOSO value will go down soon, because from the chart you are seeing, the candle seems to be skyrocketing on daily basis. Okay, do you see it? So now for people in season 2, this is equivalent price we're expecting from this particular airdrop known as SOSOVALUE. However, it is not 100% guarantee, as there may be kind of little changes in price on the launching and listing day. Okay, the reality is some airdrops normally trap people in using season 1. In season 1 they will do well, listing with good price and so, but in season 2, after people have joined, they may decided to do otherwise. However, we trust in SOSOVALUE and we're expecting good results from them. Okay, so let us give it our best and see what will come at the end. So if you have any question concerning SOSOVALUE airdrop, you can drop it in the comment section. So that's it, and this is what I have for you at the moment. And if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.